In this problem, we're told that pulse rates of women are normally distributed with a mean of 77.5 beats per minute and a standard deviation of 11.6 beats per minute. So, in order to visualize that on our normal distribution, I'm going to put the mean in the center, and then I'm going to add the standard deviation of 11.6 to that mean, and that gives me 89.1. And then I'm going to continue to do that, and I have 100.7 and 112.3. So those are the values at 1 standard deviation above the mean, 2 standard deviations above the mean, and 3 standard deviations above the mean. Now I can go backwards and subtract 11.6 from the mean, and that gives me 65.9. Subtract 11.6 again, and I get 54.3, and then finally 42.7. So these are all x values. Now we want to convert these to z values. And we know that at the center, we have a z value of 0. So what that tells me is the value of the mean as a z value is 0. And we can label our standard deviations. So the standard deviation is the difference between our two values of 1 standard deviation above the mean minus the mean. So I can find the standard deviation in terms of z values by taking 1 minus 0. And so that gives me 1. And so that's what they're looking for in this question. I don't know that it was completely clear in the wording, but that is what they were going for there. So that's how you do that problem.